Let's see how is the month of December going to be for every zodiac sign in detail about every aspect of your life. Hi, my name is Nidisha, also known as the Tarot Girl, and in this video, I'm going to cover literally everything in detail about different aspects of your life. How is the month of December unfolding? Everything that you need to know, what should you be focusing on, things that you need to navigate, along with special universe messages. And this is the year end, so this reading is very special. I'm going to give you some very minute detailing and insights for your life, so watch till the end. Also, this is the best time to get personalized reading because it's the new year. A lot of insights that you need to gain before starting the new year, so the best time to book a personal reading. The link of it is in the description, or you can DM me on Instagram. So let's start first with the first zodiac sign, that is Aries. And as promised, I'll also pick up the universe message. So watch till the end. If you like what I do, then don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Now let's see what is the special message for Aries. Where is your life going? Connect to my energies by commenting below 111. Let's see what are the special messages for you. Wow, I see one whole cycle and chapter of your life ending and a new beginning. Like, if you look at this card, it talks about like you're already to the end of this year, and this is the card of ending. This is literally, it says everything is fine. Anything and everything that was not fine in your life so far is now going to be fine in the month of December, and I promise you that. More specifically, in the matter of love and relationship, you will see a new start, new beginning, commitment. You will actually see things that were not working out for you, if committed, if it was not going to next level, if marriage was not in something that you were able to foresee, you will actually be able to see all that. That slow phase of your life is now going to end, and your life is actually going to speed up now. This was the card of slowness, break, intervals that were coming into your life in different phases. Finally, that will end, and you will at least see some assurity, some peace, some reliability in your life, in the matter of heart, emotions, love, family relations as well, that you'll be sharing. Let me see, how does it look like in your career and finances? What is your life bringing to you? Okay, in terms of career specifically, what I see is, now there is this sort of raise. If you've been waiting for some raise, promotion, or any sort of respect which you were not getting from the colleagues, people you were working with, or socially, the people that you were surrounded with, that respect will come your way. You will finally earn that respect. All your efforts that you've put up will channelize in the results, in the paycheck, or in the financial stability, or with the position and the power that you'll be having in your career. I actually see you will be able to, you'll feel actually proud about how far you've come. There's some sort of achievement that is being felt from these energies and card, is what I can understand. You will really appreciate, or rather people will appreciate you. People will want you in your life, and a lot of them will realize your importance. One thing is there for sure, don't believe everything that comes your way. Like, sometimes, people just try to act too nice and be sweet to you because they want to extract something out of you. So, okay, listen, take the appreciation, but you don't have to spill out your secrets to them or your plan of action to them. So don't talk about money matters or any important topic or discussion to anybody else blindly, at least in the month of December. But overall, energies are very supportive. There's a lot of thrill, adventure also. Some of you might travel as well, more specifically for work, or more specifically for some sort of project, or to meet somebody, but with a purposeful travel, not like a leisure travel, but there's some meaningful learning out of the travel and the change that will come up. So energies are quite supportive. Let me see what is the special universe message. Universe always has something to let you know. If you like this video and this video is helping you so far, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's see what universe has for you. Universe is literally saying go out, go outside, and the message goes, it is the time for you to go out in the nature and feel one with your habitat, feel one with where you are, your people, your surroundings, society. Don't try to be in the four wall of the house. When you actually go out, with any reason that can be. You actually learn a lot and you actually glow out. You will see the change in your own aura when you go out. So go out a little bit extra without reasons as well, and not just for reason, is what universe has to say. A very special tip I have for you. I'm going to help you with the new year is about to start, so I'm going to help you with certain affirmations which I'll be specifically designing for you, Aries. So you can DM me on Instagram if you actually want to avail that affirmations from me. Hi, let's see, Taurus. How is this month of December unfolding for you? Every possible thing that cards have to tell for different aspects of your life, and what is unfolding, what should you focus. Connect to my energies. Comment below 333 and connect to my energies. Let's see what is coming your way. Also, I'll be pulling special universe messages, so don't forget to watch till the end. Wow. Now, these messages are so fulfilling. Honestly speaking, you have all it takes in terms of willpower, strength, knowledge, skills, everything. People really like you. People really want you. Specifically in the matter of love, there is somebody around you who wants you very badly, who really needs you, who really looks into you as a support, as a companion, as a power pack in their life. And they know that, people know your importance. It's like everybody around you knows your importance, knows your capabilities, and everybody knows how beneficial their life will be because of your existence in their life. And this is the card of manifestation as well. Like, I have so much to say. Some of your manifestation is coming true. Now, which manifestation? It's not one. There are multiple manifestations that I see coming true, but specifically something in your career, in your work life, in your goals and desires of life is coming true. Yeah, so in your career is coming true, and something also to do with travel, vacation, holiday, or some social life, something in the social life where you will be the person who actually gets that attention, gets that importance in the life. So I do see a lot of attention seeking energy. A lot of people will want you. A lot of people will come to you for help, will need you in their life. Somebody possibly from the past, or a past friend or a past lover can also turn up your way. There is a lot of fun in your life in the month of December. You're really enjoying the phase, because as I said, there's some progress in your career as well. So you're really liking the speed at which your life is going forward, or at which your life is moving forward. Let me see, is there any red flag? Should you be aware of something in the month of December as well? If this video is helping you, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Your health is getting better. Looks like quite a few of you have been going through bad health. Now, the red flag here is be careful that you don't end up having any physical damage to your body, to your any physical part, either by slipping, falling down, having some accident, or just basically breaking something, or damaging anything in your house, or any possession of yours. That is one red flag. Health wise, be careful. I mean, your health is recovering, but just because it's recovering doesn't mean that you start again jumping to the unhealthy habits. So be a little careful in the matter of health. And very few of you, if you have kids, or if you have kids around you, or if they are your own kids, they'll be a little cranky to handle, or some younger people in your life, your siblings also, will be a little difficult for you to handle. So breathe in and breathe out a little extra is what I would say. Let's see what's the special universe message for your life, what universe has to say. A very special message is universe is saying just surrender right now in your life, because almost everything is falling in place. So just surrender. Don't control anything in your life right now. When you surrender, you automatically see calmness, peace, and automatically you see like you will see how everything that you were worried of will get reassured in your life. So the peace of mind is possible in life, and just surrender. Connect to the moon energy, because this card also talks about moon energy. So connect to the power of moon. And how to connect to the moon energy, I can teach you in detail. I'll draft a proper learning to you and send it to you. Just DM me to learn how to connect to the moon energy. That will really help you be calmer in the month of December. Let's see, Gemini, how is this month going to be December for you in every aspect? So don't forget to connect to my energies by commenting below 222. And if you like what I do, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Let's see what is it. I'm also going to pull special universe message, so watch till the end. Wow. Okay, so you finally realized a lot of things in your life. A lot of insecurity and doubt that you are having about yourself, about somebody in your life. All the reality is out. There's no darkness in your life now. Everything is out. There's no shadow in your life. You have exactly understood what is trustworthy, what is right for you, what is meant for you, and what is not meant for you. A self-realization is what you are in the phase of. You actually want to leave everything right now. You don't want to pay attention to anybody right now in your life. Specifically, you're like, I'm done with love. I'm done with helping people. I'm done with being good to everybody. Now I'll just focus on I, me, and myself. And I really love this attitude of yours. Trust me, when you focus on yourself, you're going to go a long way. A long way is there for you. This both cards are talking about travel. So if you've actually been contemplating about a change in city or job, or if you want to take a risk from leaving your job or education and start something of your own, go forward with it. It's the best time to do that. Socialize, meet new people, network, maybe network people through any gatherings, any family meets, any friends of friends, to LinkedIn, online portals, anything that you can, but talk, communicate. Send as many emails as you can. Be outdoors, start some outdoor activity in your life, some physical activity, strain your body, give the pain to your body. Because if you do that, you will actually realize that how powerful you are. You need to get out of this dark phase, these wrong people, wrong choices and habits of your life. You've realized a lot of things late. December, you'll still possibly make mistakes. You'll still possibly something will just go away, slip off your hand, and you'll be like, oh shit, why did I miss that? But it's still okay, because you're growing from the month of December is what I see. You've realized that there's nothing bigger, or nobody can support you or help you as much as your loved ones, as in your parents can do. You've realized the importance, and you realize that you need them now in your life, and they need you in your life. So you really want to prove yourself to them financially. You really want to make your family proud of your capabilities, and you really want to win their trust. You are all about self-growth and self-development in this month, and I really like your willpower and the attitude with which you're moving forward. Let me see, what is it with love, because I didn't see very great energy there, as in you were a little upset is what the cards were trying to say. So let's see, what is it. If this video is helping you, don't forget to like and also comment if there is any confusion. Yeah, I did. As I said, there is a card of confusion. You're confused between two people or between two choices, and you don't feel like you deserve your worth. Like you actually deserve more, and you feel like you're not getting what you deserve. And there's this two-sided. Your heart is saying something, your head is saying something. You happen to get you're in stress. Basically, you're not keeping well because of all these drama that is happening in the matter of love. So it's okay. Like December, don't take any decision. Take some time. Automatically, the reality and automatically what you deserve, automatically what is right to you, for you, will come your way. Right now, just take a pause in the matter of love. I would actually, help you with some certain sort of activities, and also a little bit of affirmations that you need to follow for December. You can actually DM me. This will help you get off that stress in the matter of emotions and love. So DM me on Instagram. I'll help you with that. Let's see what universe has to say about your life in December. Where is it going? What is happening with you? One of my favorite thing to do is pulling universe cards. Now, universe is saying that this exact word that I used earlier. Universe is saying that there's a lot of light, self-realization, all the reality coming out. Universe is going to throw a lot of light into your life. and light has the power to help you get over the darkness. So anything that you were not paying attention to, anything that you were taking for granted, or anybody that was taking you for granted, everything will come into reality. And the light has so much power, the universe light has so much power that all the darkness of different situations of your life will come to an ending. So it's asking you to trust, like, trust the light of universe. So I hope this has helped you, and do comment what next you want me to put for your life. Hi Cancerians, I'm very excited to see how is December going to be for you, because it's the year end and that's going to decide the energy of the coming year as well. Connect to my energies by commenting below 222. In the end, I'll pick special universe cards, so watch till the end. What is the December? Where is the month going? So in the month of December, one very good thing that I want to first tell you is you're going to find a guru, a mentor in your life, or you're going to get really spiritually aligned in your life. This is really the best time to practice any spiritual routine, habits, practices, manifestations, or seek as much as advice you can from a spiritual guru, guardian, speaker. Listen to more podcasts, or listen to those who are very knowledgeable in the field of both religion and spirituality as well. It will help you grow a lot. 80% of your problems in December will get vanished, will get solved if you take the advice of that guru, of that guardian. Now, guru doesn't necessarily mean like a literal form of guru. It can also mean by you reading some book and following the advice or insights of somebody who is experienced. It also means a father, a friend, or somebody older to you. A lot of times, somebody's one statement that you read or that you hear can also change your life. And December, that is what exactly is going to happen. You're going to be really working towards your goals and your career. Your career will take a turn. Your finances will take a turn. The burden that you've been taking in your past, in your career, all that will start showing results. Your life that was on standstill will no more be on standstill. A lot of enlightenment will happen. Your belief systems will change. Your perspective about life will change. About spirituality will change. About God will change. Practice religious habits of what your family has been doing. Your family has come from a place where they know everything. They know how you can resolve your problems, how your life can be easy. They have all the techniques, they have all the spiritual remedies. Follow the insight of what your mother, what your father has to give you, what maybe your grandparents have to give you, and listen, hear more. Speak less in the month of December, but hear more in the month of December. Be with family, be with loved ones. You're really going to enjoy that. If you're away from your family for a while, if you stay in a different city, different country, then spend time with them. Take this break in December, go out with them. Because as I said, 80% of your problems will get over in the month of December. Your work is getting better. New offer is going to come your way. Those seeking for new job, new education, or any education, higher studies, all that will also happen. You will have, like, your willpower is going to be very strong. Like, even if I'm not saying there are not going to be problems in your career. There will be problems in your career, but in the end, there is a card of victory that has come up. Like, you will have all the insight, courage, strength, and the know-hows to resolve the problems. And those who've been waiting for admissions or results, it's a little tough time. You might have to spend a little extra money or use some reference to get the admissions. So be a little careful there. Don't get pissed off easily. Control your anger as well. Let's see what universe has to say to you. Let's see the universe message. If you like what I do and if this video has helped you, don't forget to subscribe. Universe is saying it's the time for you to go out in the nature, spend time with the people. The word I said, family, loved ones. When you spend time with people, when you listen to people, when you're around in the nature, you feel one where you are. You start liking your environment, you start liking your city, you start liking your society, you start liking everything, your community. So go out, spend time in nature. You'll feel one with your habitat. Take this advice of universe very seriously. Hi, let's see how is the month of December for you, Leo. Everything that is going to happen with you in this month and whatever that cards universe has to guide you with this special universe messages as well. Connect to my energies by commenting below 444. Let's see what is happening. Wow. Okay. Okay, so universe is trying to say that the messages that cards have to give is some sort of argument, fight, drama is going to get created, and tell me about it that I think you've also been getting this signs and intuitions that there is going to be drama that will get created. Somebody is literally irritating you and pricking all the nerves to test your patience. This can be somebody older to you, or at your workplace, or even at the same headset of that of yours, somebody in the equal power and position of that of yours, or even more. But this person is actually instigating you. This person is actually being a little controlling in your life. Now that can be a father, that can be a brother, that can be anybody, but that is somebody who's controlling you or wanting you certain thing exactly in that way, and like is nagging you to do a certain task, activity, or follow a certain schedule and routine, but or making you believe their belief system, but you're not very happy with that. Also some competition, comparison, drama is also there at your workplace or in your professional life, and you're not really liking it. You really want to break free this I would say nonsense people that are there in your life, or the tough people that are there in your life, but you're not able to do that. And some of them are purposely doing that because they really like to make you angry, and they really like to not make you be at peace, and you really want this peace. You are this, but you want this, is what I mean to say. So what I see is there is some sort of change that is required. You need to stop entertaining people right now rather than proving yourself. So a lot of times it happens that you cannot justify, you cannot prove how good you are, you cannot prove how capable you are. Some people can just think this much, but if you can think this much, then you need to stop being foolish. You need to stop being draining. I mean, being wasting your time and draining your energy. Some of you need to focus on this is for very few of you, need to focus on higher education. If those who are in academics and those who are in the phase of studying or thinking to study something more, this is the right time to think about academics, and this is the right time to also commit in a new relationship if single, or also go forward with marriage. So looks like for a very few of you, either your parents, family, or somebody is forcing you for marriage, or is wanting you to very soon get married or get into a relationship, but you're not ready for that. You're not ready to take a lot of new responsibilities in your life, financially and also romantically, but this is the right time to do that. So take this advice. You need to start getting more serious about it, and the area of focus is actually relationships and money both. So career, friendship, family, keep that aside. Focus on getting a stable relationship, more specifically marriage, if you are nearing to the age of marriage. And financially also take more risk now. Start risk in the sense, start taking more responsibilities. Start spending money, not just for buying expensive stuffs, but also providing to people, which includes family, which includes people in need, which includes in the form of donation. The more you do that, the more you will see good luck coming into your life. Let's see this special universe message. If this video has helped you little bit also, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Let's see what universe has for you. Universe is saying that you really have a lot of wisdom. You're very intelligent. Use the same thing that I said. Don't act foolish because you're very intelligent. Somebody's thinking this much, but you are thinking this much. So use your wisdom. Call upon your wisdom. You have all the experiences, all the knowledge, all the wisdom. You have all the capabilities to overcome every challenge in your life. So don't be afraid of challenges. Use your wisdom when required, and stay away from people who are nagging you or who are trying to make you be like them. That is not needed. That's a tip. So if you need any help from me specifically in the matter of love and relationship, where you're seeking a commitment but you're not able to get over the insecurity or just overall fears, I have customized this very special affirmations for you, Leo. You can DM me on Instagram to get that. Hi Virgo, I'm very excited to see how December is unfolding for you. It's the last month, and the energy with which the new year is going to start is what December will decide. So let's see what is coming up. Connect to my energies by commenting below 333. In the end, I'm going to pick up a universe message, so watch till the end. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy. These energies are so glowing, so supportive. Friends, people, everybody around you is really going to be a gem of a person right now. Specifically in the matter of love and friendships and relationships, you're going to really feel happy. Like all the prayers of yours and all the hard work and trust of yours that you've put in this phase of your life in love and relationship is going to work out in your favor. You are going to have, you're going to get help from people, either in work, be it in business, be it in romantic relationship, but there's new beginning. There is help, there is love, there is genuine energy, there is a lot of humbleness that I see. You're actually going to, those who are going through bad health will also recover. Those who are seeking some support, even academically or from your friends, from your loved ones, from your family, you will also see this coming up. Some new surprises, some gifts, somebody will gift you something or will do something special for you, and you will really like that. Your life is coming at a balance. You're feeling this peaceful, or you're feeling peace in your life. Your family cards are your love cards, and your family cards are very supportive. A lot of you would possibly also start a new family. This is what I mean by this is those in the phase of already married and thinking about having a child. You'll possibly start or plan very soon a baby as well. And those who are in relationship will now like be very desperate to get committed and get married. A lot of you can possibly get married and also engaged. Very good time. You are like very happy in your family life, in your love life, into this new chapter of your life, and you really have a lot of expectations about it, and everything is very supportive. You're really feeling, you're liking this phase, you're really feeling good, you're really feeling powerful now. People are listening to you. Career wise, you've had that position and power that people really need you. People need you. That organization needs you more than you need them. And this is also the best time to take risks. You have like all the knowledge and all the, I would say, learnings and sort of everything that it takes for you to change and get a better position in your life. So it's the good time. It is really a good time to go forward with changing the job also. And you will see that this is the card of leadership. You're really going to be a good leader in your life at workplace. You're really going to resolve some difficult situation at your workplace or in your career. What else is? Emotionally, you're very stable. Like, as I said, there's a card of balance. Emotionally, you're feeling very stable. Financially also, things are much better since your career is better. Majorly, what I see is very good times with your loved ones, and family and love and relationship is what you can expect. And because that area is fine, you're not much worried about the materialistic aspect. So, you know, it's okay to not be materialistic at times. Let's see what universe has for you. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Universe is saying that when you believe in something, that's when you can see it coming true. And not that when you see something, you will believe it. So the fundamental goes believe and see the change, and not like see the change and believe in the change. So believe in things, believe in magic, in easy word, is what universe has to let you know. And take this message very seriously. In fact, this is a very good time if you want to seek, if you want to get some very good vibrational music, or if you want to understand a process to have more positivity to start this new year. DM me. I'm going to help you with a process or a procedure that you're supposed to do every single day. You can DM me to get that process to increase your vibration to attract more abundance in your life. Hi, let's see how is December for you, Librans. I'm very excited since it's the year end and I really want to see what's unfolding in your life. Connect to my energies by commenting below 555. I'm also going to pick up a special universe message for you in the end, so watch fully. Okay, Librans, you are that zodiac sign of balance who really like balance in their life. And if something goes out of the balance or something goes out of your plan, you really don't like to tolerate that. You really like everything your way, your rules, my style, my expectations. It's all about how you want. You're very smart. You know how what is right for you, what is not right for you. And when somebody doesn't make this happen the way you plan or the way you desire, and when you lose the balance in your life, that's when it's like if your career is going fine but you lose the balance in love, then also career starts falling down. And when love is fine but the career is down, it also impacts your love. And that's why you seek balance in your life, which is a little bit lacking in the month of December. And that is lacking not in the matter of career majorly, but in the matter of love, in relationships. There's a lot of insecurity, a lot of doubt. You're doubting your partner is doubting you. Those who are in this process, single, or those who are in this relationship also in this matter, you're not feeling safe. You feel like there is a lot of pressure, there's a lot of burden to finish everything, to justify things to each other, to make each other happy. You really want peace, you want balance, but maybe there's a lot of demands coming from your partner which you're not able to fulfill. You're really very materialistic in the month of December. You want to focus about money, work, career, results, and you are so amplified with this energy. And when somebody comes up and slows down this energy, you really get pissed off. And that is exactly what is happening. In the beginning, when you're supposed to speak up for yourself, you do not do that. And then when things get sour in between, that's when you say, and then the other person gets irritated out of you. You're a little extra energetic, and you're intolerant also. So I'll be very honest, your intolerance is costing you a little bit extra. So don't be intolerant in December. Again, the card of yin and yang has come up, like the balance card has come up. I would just suggest, in the month of December, just make sure that you're actually giving equal time to each area of your life. Not that you're giving 10 hours of your day to one area and then just left 2 hours to the other area of your life. Enough sleep, enough work, and enough time in relationship. Each area needs equal time. And be ready for the plan B. If plan A doesn't work, take as much as time you want to make decisions, as much as time you want to make choices. Go slow in life, it's okay. Just don't sail in two ships at the same time. Experiment, understand everything, get complete clarity, and then walk forward in the month of December. So it's like, don't burn your tongue. Literally, make sure that when you drink something, it's not too hot and not too cold, is what I'm trying to say. Let's see what universe has for you. A very special message. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Universe is saying, wish wisely. Most of the time your wish get fulfilled, but universe is saying wish very wisely. Anything that you wish, make sure you take practical steps to achieve that desire as well. Not that you just keep writing, thinking, visualizing, and your manifestation comes true. That's not how it works. You have to take practical steps as well to achieve your dreams, to achieve your manifestation. If you want to learn any sort of manifestation from me as well, I do curate very personalized courses. You can DM me on Instagram for any manifestations of your life, and I'll teach you that. I'll help you with that. Also, one thing is, you need more friends in your life. You need people in your life. You don't have the right choices of friends, or you don't have enough friends. So spend more time with friends. If nothing makes you happy, friendships does. So seek friendships. So I hope this has helped you. Comment below if there's anything more you want me to bring for your life. Hi Scorpio, this month of December, how special is it going to be? Where is your life going? And everything that you need to know. Connect to my energies by commenting below 666. I'm also going to pull a very, very special universe message for you. So watch till the end. What is happening with you December? Let's see, Scorpions. so much money cards, and I'm so happy to see that. Finally, your loved ones, your family, your parents are feeling more proud of who you are and where you've come, and really have started trusting you. Your family is now got secured financially. If there has been any worry, health issues, financial issues, or some trust related issues in the family, between the family members or you and them, all that will resolve. Some lifestyle change is what is going to happen, and you're really going to feel happy because a lot of you will see some inherent property coming your way, or some money of which was stuck up in the past, or which was going to happen, maybe something that was going to happen your name, or maybe something that you wanted to buy for you or the family. Can be a car, can be any electronics, can be anything that you wanted to buy, or even a bigger asset. It is the right time to do that. You will see all the resources working out in your favor. If you want loans, the loans will get sanctioned. If you want to clear the debts will get sort of released, and you will see your family supporting you. Those planning for a new business, or any money investment for anything in your career, your family will also help you now. You will see some reunite with your loved ones. You'll meet some old people, maybe old relatives, old friends. But basically, this phase is going to bring a lot of childhood memories of your into surface. Something that you did in the childhood, something that your family did in the childhood, all that will come on the surface, and you'll feel very childlike, you'll feel very innocent, you'll feel very jolly. This is also the card of creativity, fun, enjoyment, funny conversations, and very light-hearted conversations. A lot of things coming into balance, life coming into balance, things not working out, working in your favor. This is also some for a lot of you who've been going through some legal procedures as well. That will work in your favor. Those who have been working for some approval from work, from boss, from bank, or anything in regards to that will also come into your favor. Those planning for anything abroad or anything cross the boundaries, something very new, something very out of the box that nobody has ever done in your vicinity or in your community, all that will also be fulfilled. Some wish fulfillment is there. Basically, in easy words, you're going to really enjoy this phase of your life. Let's see what actually universe has to say about all this. If this video is helping you so far, don't forget to like and also subscribe. New beginnings. The exact word that I just mentioned, the whole thing that I was just trying to say. There is some new idea that will come your way, or somebody would want you to be a part of their new idea specifically in the work and in the businesses and in the career. Take this new idea, cherish the new ideas that you get. Take everything very seriously right now in your life. People's advice, every single sign that universe shows you, any repetitive number that universe shows you, any dream that you get, try to decode that, because a lot of new ideas are going to come your way. A lot of solutions are going to come your way in your life, and it's like one after another, the roads, the channels will get created. So whatever was stuck up, jiska bhi rasta nahi ban raha tha, all that automatically नए रास्ते बनने लगेंगे. So that is what the energy looks like, and you will feel childlike. This is the card of baby that has come up, that I was just saying. You feel very childlike, very innocent, and your purity, people will like your purity of heart. So if this video has helped you, do comment what more do you want me to bring, and if there is any doubt you have about this reading, or if you seek any affirmation for the new year to begin on a good note, do DM me on Instagram. I'll help you with that. Hi Sagittarius, let's see how is the month of December going to unfold for you. And it's the last month, so let's see how the energies are. Everything I'm going to check. Comment below 666 to connect to my energies. I'll also see a special universe message for you as promised in the end, so watch completely. Sagittarius, you're taking your life for granted for a while now. So it looks like you're very confident, which is good, which is fine. But sometimes confidence, there's a very thin line from the confidence to reach to the overconfidence. So don't act foolish. Don't when you know that you're going to stand, if you stand on the edge, you're going to fall down, then you don't have to stand on the edge just because you want to prove that to the outer world, or just because you're very confident. Have a double check of your confidence as well. Don't just blindly take a decision. Don't just impulsively take a decision. You're going to get very aggressive, very impulsive, very powerful, very energetic, very motivated, which is okay, which is fine. But anything in excess becomes toxic. So don't get into excess, is what I mean to say. A lot of you will be very so you exactly know, like, everything is working as per the plan, and you exactly know what to do, where to go. So when somebody comes up and gives some advice to you, you're not very responsive to that. You don't like people's advice, you don't like people poking their nose, you don't like anybody giving you suggestion or anybody pointing out your mistakes. But listen to that, like, just listen to that. Don't answer that. It's okay, like, just listen and then ignore if you don't want to act upon. But don't insult anybody in your life. That is very important. One thing that I see is you're getting very materialistic in the month of December. As I said, there's nothing wrong with that. But you're getting so materialistic that you might end up taking some shortcuts. If in business, you might just fool somebody, or you just might do something which is not legally right or which is not ethically right. So please follow your conscience, listen to your conscience, listen to the inner voice. There's nothing beyond honesty, there's nothing beyond faith, there's nothing beyond being a true person. And don't just take things for lightly, that okay, if I just say something, how does it matter? Maybe you take things too casually. Not everybody around you will take things casually. Sometimes people feel bad, and then that remains for them more longer than otherwise. So that is what is there. You're very socially active in this month, romantically very active, sexually very active in this month. This month is bringing a lot of new opportunities in your career, in your work life. You will see some abroad related or cross boundary related work, project, business and offer coming your way. And be like, your confidence is going to be high, so you would possibly grab that as well. And you're taking all the risks needed in your life, which is fine. But I just said, filter out, double check. That is only required. And one thing is there, with your partner, with your lover, you are really expecting a lot from them. See, everybody's love language is different. Not necessarily your partner can fulfill everything that you seek from them at that moment, or that you want. Even if you're single and you have expectations, please lower down your expectations. You're a little bit expecting too much from your life right now. Not that you will not get it, but sometimes you become obsessed with that, and that is what you need to stop doing. If this video is helping you, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Let's see what universe has for you right now. Sagittarius. The word temptation, exactly what I just said. Obsession and temptation is the same meaning. Universe is saying, please don't be tempted in life and then later be guilty about it. Now see, for everybody, temptation can be different, because this is a general collective reading. For somebody, temptation can be eating spicy food, junk food. Somebody, temptation can be something to do with money. Somebody, temptation can be something in the romantic life. Meaning of temptation is different for everybody. So don't be too tempted. And in that temptation end up later being guilty about it, or doing something unhealthy, or getting into some unhealthy practices and habits. You need to overcome these temptations, because temptations are like I would say, just like a sort of illusion in front of you. They are very deceptive. Temptations make you deceptive and not wise. So remember that. And I hope this has helped you. Comment below if there is anything more you want me to bring, and if there is any help you need from these temptations and aggressive energies, then do DM me. I'll help you with the affirmations or some techniques. Hi Capricorns, I'm here to see how this last month of the year is going to be for you. Is this lucky? What is happening? Everything. Connect to my energies by commenting below 666. Also, I'm going to pull a special universe message in the end, so watch out fully. Okay, Capricorns, you need to take a little care of your health, physical and mental both. Your health doesn't look doing at its great, and there's a lot of imbalance and instability in your life. You will feel very agitated, very angry, very irritated. You might want to rebel. You might want to pour out your heart out, or vent out your emotions. You want somebody to hear you. You want somebody to talk to. And this person has made you very upset or angry. Somebody close to you itself has made you very upset and angry, or has not you haven't had this good communication with them, and there's some break or some sort of you are basically feeling this lack, some loneliness, some sort of stress, health issue, loneliness, lack of communication, distance from somebody. Those in long distance, this is a little difficult phase for you, so I would just want to warn you in advance. And it's not a difficult phase because something has majorly gone wrong, but it's just that some conversations are becoming so difficult or hard to handle that you both are missing out on that fun and the charm of the relationship. That is what the problem is. A distraction, your friends are going to distract you a lot. You might just get into, it's like you know that, for example, that okay, 12 p.m. I'm supposed to finish this task, but you're so distracted and so lost that you'll finish it at 2 p.m. and or maybe next day 2 p.m. And when that happens and anybody gets angry at you, you'll be like, how are you speaking to me this way? Why are you getting angry at me? So initially you're making the mistake, but then when other person is getting instigated, you are not able to tolerate that, and then you're zoning out, you're distancing yourself, you're getting emotionally very hurt, you're not able to vent out your feelings. That is what the scenario looks like. Financially, you really have to work hard. In your career, you really have to work hard. You are not serious in your career. You're not paying the attention that you need to pay, and then you are just crying over the spilt milk. You don't have plan B, you don't have plan C, and you just want to waste time being in the same monotonous work, job, task, business, and then you have all the excuses to blame it on other people. You're not serious. You are taking things for granted, or you're wasting too much time on wrong strategies, on wrong plans, on wrong projects, or with wrong people at workplace. So work-wise, a lot of seriousness is needed. And also, what I see is you might want to just escape out of the situations, and you might dream a lot that, oh, if I have this, I'll do this. You'll become a little dreamy. You will start hearing what your friends are doing. You'll watch other people's life and get very distracted and not focus on your own. That is what the whole situation looks like. Let me see what universe has for you actually. If this video is helping you, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Let's see what universe wants you to know. 2 cards have come up. Universe is saying, this is a very beautiful message. Universe is saying that it's always said, when you believe in something, that's when you see the results. That is what universe is saying. And you cannot have this attitude of, oh, show me the results first, then I'll believe. No. First believe and then you will see the results, is what one message universe wants to give you. The other thing is you need to start listening to the voice or the noise of the flute, either on YouTube or anywhere. Just listen to the sound of flute. It will actually help you calm down your inner aggression and impulsiveness inside you, and you will start behaving more peacefully and in that sanity. So listen to the voice of flute whenever you're stuck up, just like the flute of Krishna Bhagwan. So listen to the sound of flute. If you're stuck up in your career and you're really confused and you want to move out of that phase, do DM me on Instagram. I'll give you specific affirmations and how to follow them that will help you solve all these problems as well. Aquarius, let's see how is the month of December going to be. I'm very excited to see because it's the last month, and really I want to see everything that is going to unfold with you before the year starts. Connect to my energies by commenting below 777. Wow. Okay. This message is so crucial. It says that you have this nature of forgiving people every time that they make mistake or every time that they take you for granted. You just let go easily. You just forgive very easily, which is not bad, which is fine. But after forgiving, there comes a point of creating a boundary, setting standards, creating a limitation to something, which you don't do just because you're very sweet to forgive people, just because you start believing everything very fast. Somebody of the past will come up again. Somebody of the past relationship, past friendship, or some past trauma of yours will trigger up again, and you will again take time or consume your energy thinking that should I go back, maybe I was wrong, maybe I could have done things differently. Don't get manipulated. How can you easily get manipulated? You need to stop getting manipulated. You need to stop. This is literally an alarm of saying no to your past, not going back. Universe is testing you, in fact, right now. If you go back this time, or if you go back to things that broke you, or that were unhealthy, and that did not actually give you the sort of respect that you deserve, then you're going to be big time wrong. Then nobody can save you. This time, don't slip off. This time, don't. It's okay, forgive, forget, but doesn't mean you're going to again get into any wrong helping to wrong people, either emotionally and even financially, both ways. Let's see what else is universe actually trying to let you know right now. Universe is saying this is actually the time for you to just pay attention, be mean, be selfish. I have to say this to you because you're not being that. Universe is literally saying be mean, be selfish, spend time, spend money on your self grooming, on yourself, on anything that you like, on anything that you always wanted to buy for yourself, and draw clear boundaries, be it at workplace or be it in personal life. Just because you're offering everything to the other person, that's why they're not giving you the growth and the respect and the love that you seek, because you have not given them reasons to give that. So stop stop being so petty and stop being so tiny and timid in your life now. You don't have to be so soft and sensitive. Being sensitive is fine, but not at the cost of being foolish or being taken for granted. In the matter of marriage, those who are married, this is for that those who are married or for in relationship, you will see that your partner is wanting to actually come back to you, and I mean, support you, love you, will want to take you out, will want to do all the fancy things for you or all the romantic things with you now. Respect that. It's okay, it's fine. Just allow the person to do whatever they want. For single or for those in broken relationship or in standstill relationship, you don't have to go back to the ex. But those who are already married or in committed relationship, this is for them. The partner will try to show a lot of love, will try to be very sweet, will try to actually do every nice gesture to you. Test this person. You don't have to walk their way. Just test this person right now and actually see to what level they can actually do things for you. Some of you will also see family getting very seriously asking you to meet people for arranged setup. So go forward with that as well. Let's see what universe has to say. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Universe is saying wait for the winter. There's some manifestation of yours, some dream of yours that is going to come true. Keep your intentions for the highest good. If your intentions are good, if you're pure, universe will bring some dream of yours, some manifestations of yours into reality in winter, which is in the month of December, Jan and Feb. Something will come true. Do let me know when that comes up. Hi Pisces, let's see how December is for you. Is this year ending on a lucky note or not, and everything that is happening with you. Connect to my energies, comment below 888. Also, a very special universe message is going to be pulled at the end, so watch till the end. Let's see what is happening. Okay, I like to give you the red flag first and the good thing later, because you need to take the red flag first. Be a little careful in the matter of money and finances. You might just end up spending way too much than required, just because you want to be in a class, or just because you're so desperate to buy something. You might just end up spending on wrong things, wrong lifestyle, wrong habits, wrong people. Take care of your money. You are not taking your money and finances seriously, where this is the time for investing. This is the time for doing everything possible to increase the sources of money and not increasing the reasons for your expenditures. So help those in need also, but first of all, save your money. Make plans, make a proper structure to grow financially. If you don't know, if you're stuck up, and if you know you want some help in terms of any affirmation, any ritual, do DM me on Instagram. I'll give you very simple tips for you to grow financially. One thing that I see is some of you will go through some bad not just financial, but also physical health. Strength is the card. You will see things happening a little slow in the month of December. Your health is not supporting that great, and you're feeling tired, you're feeling drained, or you're giving up way too quickly. And you're very emotional, and you're emotional, that is okay, but you're emotionally tired. You don't want to share anything, any problems with anybody. You just want to suppress this to yourself. You want to keep things to yourself. You're like, किसी को भी बोल के क्या फायदा? Anyways, if I share anything with anybody, they will not take me seriously, or they'll not understand me, or they've heard me so many times that they don't have any solutions for me. So little bit get strong, mentally, physically get strong. Start working out. Join gym or go to gym regularly, or start some physical activity, some sports that can keep you motivated. Your motivation is very little, and you get offended very easily, or you're going to get offended very easily in December. So please avoid that. Let me see what's the good lucky change that is going to happen with you. Is there anything lucky that is coming your way? If this video is helping you, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Lucky thing that I see is you will get a lot of chances. Universe is so soft cornered. You get all the chances to every time prove in your career, every time make the best of whatever you have. But just because the honest problem is that you give up very quickly, and you really are physically and mentally not so strong to reach to that last point to see the result. And then when it goes away, you blame that universe doesn't support me or doesn't give me the chances. But if you really speak up for yourself, and one loud gesture of yours also, one very very bold gestures of yours also will scare everybody around you. Literally, you have all the power to get things done with this like click of a button, but you're not utilizing your strength. Utilize your power, utilize your boldness. You really have that boldness. If you want, you can really make everybody work the way you want. You can really fix everything in your life, but you're just not wanting to fix because you're just stuck up in some cycle with somebody, or you're just too done with your past worries and delusions and trauma that you're really not having the courage and the willpower to face. But if you have willpower, you can really move mountains. Let's see what universe has for you. What is it that specially universe wants to let you know? Find balance is what the universe messages, which actually says universe is asking you to find a balance between your work life and your personal life. You're both ways sinking down. So either of the life, not even either of the life, both of the life has to be in balance. Even if they are not like wow, it's still okay, but be more harmonious and be more productive in your life is what universe is saying. Like as I said, that motivation is lacking. Just bring back the motivation in any way that you can. So that's with what universe has to say, and take this very seriously.